So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create an Ironfx trading account and how to deposit as well. So if you don't have an Ironfx trading account, you can check the link in my description below to register and sign up and also deposit to get started with your trading journey. So let's get right into the video. So right here I'm in my Ironfx dashboard. So I created a new account just for the sake of this video. So to create an Ironfx trading account, all you have to do is to click on the open new account. So you're going to click on the open new account over here. Okay, here it has taken us to the form. So you're going to pick MetaTrader 4. I'm going to click on MetaTrader 4 and I'm going to select account type. So I'm going to pick live fixed spread. So select base currency. You're going to pick USD. Then the bonus. Ironfx. You're going to pick Ironfx. 20% iron bonus. The leverage is okay, 1:500. I'm going to click on this and this, and you're going to click on submit. So here it says successful request has been sent. So you're just going to wait for like a few minutes. Okay, they already sent me an email already. So confirmation has already been sent to me. So I'm going to go straight to my mail and open it up. So here it is. Okay, so live account has been approved. So over here you can see I'm going to reload it. So as you can see now, I already have my trading account set up. You can see over here live fixed spread account enabled. As you can see, Ironfx web trader app. So they sent you an email, and that email consists of your logins, your server, and your password. So that is those information is what you're using to link this your Ironfx to your MetaTrader 4. So I'm going to click on deposit over here. Okay, so it brought me to this area over here. So I'm going to, these are the different deposit options. We have card or debit card, fast pay, deposit here, digital asset, that's your Bitcoin, your USDT. We have domestic banks. But I'm going to be picking local bank transfer. So I can, with this method, I can transfer directly from my local banks. So I'm going to pick local bank transfer here. I'm going to pick the case already set in the currency. So I'm going to click on select the amount that you want to deposit over here. I want to deposit we have 50, 90, $100. I'm going to deposit $100 here. And it showed me the equivalent amount. So I'm going to click submit. So as you can see here, say complete your payment, select payment method. We have bank transfer, USSD, e-wallet. So I'm going to pick bank transfer. Then click on continue payment. So here it says I have 10 minutes to complete this transfer. This beneficiary bank, Premium Trust Bank, the account's name is Board Pay. This is the account number and this is the amount. Please do not transfer lesser than this or even £1 more than this. They're going to transfer exactly what you are seeing here to this above bank here, Premium Trust Bank. You just copy the account number and go to your maybe your local bank or your Kuda, your mobile wallet app, whatever bank you are using, and make this transfer exactly 139,128 naira. There is no 50 cents, there is no 129 naira, exactly what you are seeing here. So once you make the transfer, you click on the transfer completed and it will not take you more than 10 minutes for it to be reflected. So we've come to the end of this video and I hope you gain value from this video. I would appreciate if you drop a like, and if you have any questions you can drop them in the comment section, and you can subscribe to our channel to get notifications on anytime we drop videos just like this.